Keep it
Saudi! Saudi!
go.
Oh.
Yes, very nice
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay.
So what you will comment for your
Thank you for Filipino because teach me.
Yes. Yes. So hello first to my vlog, Jasim. Jasim, hello first.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi. Open the light.
Open the light. Why mapi light? Light man. Light man. Oh. Very. Oh,
Back. No, malaki! You're malaki! You're malaki mahaba. You're malaki mahaba. Okay, I will make a video here too, guys. Yes, that's one.
Okay.
Malaki mahaba.
Yes.
Okay. Work.
So for today's vlog, we will teach you how to remove the water pump for this Indigo machine. Ayos ba yun?
Good English.
So together with Jasim, the good guy in Saudi. Yes?
Shit.
So shout out sa inyo. So dapat English lang. Oh, English only ha?
Yes, of course.
Tagalog. So first, how to remove the water pump. So first, you have to remove this one. So see what inside. This is the water curtain. Okay, push it. Be careful this one because this one is easy to broke. So try this one, Jasim. Try to remove. Be careful ha. Bali broken ha. Oh, easy. Oh, not like this. So just be careful, okay? First step, you have to remove this one. Yeah, okay. This is the second one. This is some through. Okay. How to remove this one?
Kuya, ano yan?
We have a technique. Cross hand. Never use like this. Okay? So what is the purpose why you did not use this one?
It will be broken.
Fall down. So if you use like this, you have force to hold this one. Okay? Like that. So this is the proper way to remove this thumb screw. Okay? So next one, this is our main subject. This water pump. Okay? So how to remove? Okay, this is how to remove. It's very easy. Only one click. Okay? Focus on the camera. Okay? Then this is we have a connector here.
Hindi makita, kuya.
No light. See, clip here. So this is our water pump. This is how to remove the water pump for Indigo model. Okay? So that's it.
Yes, that's it.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. So how about this one? What is that? What is that? This is water level probe.
Not a level.
For water sensor. Okay? So I will teach you now
How clean this one if you cannot get clean?
how to remove. We will make it in one vlog only.
See.
This is a water level probe. So how to remove? Pull. Very easy. So you have remove this one. Okay. Very easy, guys. So that's all. So now you have to bring back this one. Okay? You can do it now. Bring back.
No, first, ilagay mo na lahat. Tapos siya magre-remove.
Okay. So this is your turn now. You have to bring back. Okay. I will bring back first. Then second, you have to do it in yourself. Okay. So this is the socket.
Until last 8
Okay. How to bring it? bring back this one.
There's one side perfect.
Yeah, because see this one?
This hole coming there, there's one hole.
Here, this is the distribution. Okay?
Ah, can fix inside.
We have you see?
That's why this is the hole is pump complete.
Just push. That's it. Then, fix this one. Ah, okay.
Now is a different side of the hole.
No. It's a paper Okay. So, next, you have to do it yourself. But you have to bring back this one. How to...
Carbon.
It's your turn. How to remove?
Saudi.
Yeah, see? First, cross your hand like that. Then hold. Pull. Yes, good job. Good job, Yasin. Nice one. Okay, then the bottom pump. Yes, very good. Yeah. 2 points. Okay. Now you are
Saudi.
Now it's wrong.
Return.
Ah, hindi na kayo nakain bukas, ang 12. Hindi na kayo nakain bukas.
Your day today is productive, huh? Don't forget.
Saudi.
Yes.
May import, oh. May import si Ismiran. Vin,
Yeah.
may import si Ismiran. Sa video, import.
Foreigner, this one foreigner.
But I need cash.
Yes. Push. Okay.
Oh,
Nice job, Jasim.
you're a professional technician now.
Okay, just push. But pick it up a little bit, the other side, just keep it up first. Okay. Yeah. Push. But, it's wrong.
Shit,
It's
carbon.
wrong, it's wrong. That's why. Remove first. Yes, the drill. Okay. If you bring back this one, you have,
There's holder here.
yes, you have to make it like that.
There's holder backside.
Yeah. Keep it like that, then
Ah.
okay.
Ano ba ito?
Ah,
Video?
yeah. Video. Okay. Keep it.
Saudi.
Go.
Oh.
Yes, very nice
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay.
So what you will comment for your
Yeah.
Thank you for Filipino because teach me.
Okay, this
Saudi.
So next time I will teach you how to.
Teach you to do how to doggy.
Yes. Yeah. This is the one. You have to be careful with it. Very easy to broke. So that's why. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
Comment lang yung may mga matanong.
Yes, just comment down below if you have something to ask. So to my foreigner subscriber,
Ano ba yung machine mo? Ano tawag dyan?
this is Indigo model ice machine. Manitowoc.
Saan ginagamit?
This we use in a commercial restaurant.
Oh, yun.
So that's all. Thank you guys.
Comment down below.
Until next time, bye.